Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we're still stuck in this zone of resistance at the moment. We have made we've printed a high low at the moment on the daily bars, and we've also ended up with a bit of a kind of a range bar, still tails to top, tails to downside, but it is a green bar. And in my view at the moment, once we break through the previous highs, and I'll get that to you on the lower time frames, we have a pretty strong measured move to the upside. So let's just get to that quickly. And I think the political chaos that unfolded in the US last night is probably going to impact us through the day as well. And you're still going to find a lot of people that are just be sitting on the sidelines, like myself. I think there's going to be a lot of traders like myself are going to be just sitting quietly on the sidelines, waiting for this chaos to finish. So that's the measured move. You can see there is the move up. Then we've got this level of consolidation. Let's just take that one out. And I think we can actually just delete that as well. Okay, so what we have here is a move up, sideways consolidation, and a break and retest of this area here that we've rejected 3 times already at 13,917. A break and retest of that brings, I suppose, leave that one, bring this one up. That will give us a measured move of around 14,400. So there's a fairly good target here, and I think that's basically what's going to transpire. We just need to watch what happens in the US at the moment. But the chaos and the riots and everything happening yesterday is the kind of stuff that you see in African dictatorships. Well, I'd use that because I see that often on this continent, but it's the kind of political behavior that happens, and I think, as one of the senators said last night, that's not American. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires. But the more Trump incites the population like he is, the higher the risk is that there's going to be even more chaos. Anyway, so we just need to sit on our sides and watch what happens. But that's my view there. I don't think it's going to change on the hour. That's pretty much what we're looking for. And the other thing that you can probably expect is maybe a little bit of a pullback. You'll see there's a bit of structure here further down. Okay, so a little bit of a pullback onto structure, and all that's going to do is just form an inverse head and shoulders here. Okay, remember the markets are forward looking. So whatever's going on now in the political landscape, investors will be calculating their risk at the moment to see what is the best course of action for a long trade versus a short trade. So that's pretty much what's transpiring at the moment. So I think once we've broken through this range, that is the structure. Oh, and the other thing that you just need to bear in mind is worry about the range height as well. Okay, so let's just do that. That gives you 2 target areas. So your first target area is going to be 14,256 and then 14,400. Those are the 2 areas that you're looking for. Both of those give us new all-time highs. Okay, we're still battling with this all-time high at the moment, but they do give us new all-time highs. Okay, so yeah, that's looking pretty interesting as far as I'm concerned. I suppose yesterday there was an opportunity here, but this big down, big up, still big confusion, and then we gradually moved up before moving down. Just sort of rejecting the highs just before the close. So I expect that to sort of continue today. Let's just check where the futures market is at the moment. Up 0.36%, 13,925. So just above where we closed, well, just above the previous highs here. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. I think definitely an opportunity here to be long on the break. And that's the structure that I'll be looking for. So it's either on the pullback, so pullback back down to 13,744. Might not even do that, might just get to sort of gap up, then come and close the gap. Then we're looking at the break. There's going to be nothing to stop it going further higher. And 14,256 is the first area that we need to take profit. And at that point, move stop up, take some off, move stop up, and then wait for the next level. So that is definitely a trade that I'm looking at this morning. I think that's going to be a pretty juicy one as well. Okay, anyway, that's it for me on the DAX this morning. I hope it helps, and stay safe. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, dislike the video if you don't like it, but just give us a feedback so we know what we're on the right track or not. And don't forget to go subscribe. We do this every day. Every morning we put out the videos, and every week we have basically 4 videos a day. Anyway, catch up with you guys later. Cheers for now.